10-4, I will just come and check it. I'm almost like two seconds away.
10-4.
Investigation over here. We are on the line of duty over here. Okay.
Oh,
I will
okay,
request you
sorry,
to leave
sorry.
this area. Otherwise,
There are just 5 people. It's easy, guys. Easy.
Bro, why is he pointing a gun at me? I'm not a criminal. I'm not a criminal. Anything.
Alright,
Why?
demands have been given. No hostages.
Bro, what the fuck?
I guess that's one way to do it.
Chill out,
Demands-
chill out.
We can go it.
Alright.
We can go it.
Dem-
Let's do one thing. Let's listen. Let's get by the cars, go in, take covers behind the store, and then we'll shoot the guys in the ground and take the guys on top. We'll push them. Only 5 on total. It's easy for us, guys.
Yeah, they are 5 and they are all on the
I
same
know.
roof.
Guys, first
Yeah,
of all,
and-
can
and-
anyone give me a revolver ammunition? I have
What up,
zero.
ammunition?
You can buy from the ammunition store.
Yeah, I know, but I need it right now. I can't go inside the area.
yeah, got it.
Guys, I have zero.
Yeah, mine like,
Okay,
have any revolver.
wait. I'll give you some. I put 26 so
I gave you.
can-
Yeah, thank you, Victor. Yeah, thank you, Johnny.
How much time do we have? You know?
Yeah, Victor
Yeah,
is
we
going
got a
inside
minute.
the
Yes.
You know?
Yeah, man.
And everything is going cool now. What about some king like we did it in the Christmas?
Right. Yeah, maybe when, I don't know about tonight, man. I'm kind of down bad on money. I've been spending money like it's,
How much money
like,
you need?
like about 4 mil.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Yeah, I mean,
Nah.
yeah. Like even when it's 8 of
Yeah.
Make a convoy, guys. Make a convoy.
All units that are on duty, please hurry. We're finna do a convoy.
She's probably asleep.
If you're doing a 10-15, please hurry. Then just be here, please.
Yeah, Victor, what do you mean to fly convoy?
Yeah, we're gonna go for that, bro. So you need to come.
Yeah, I think we probably have enough. There's only, I think I counted 5 or 6 of those guys, so...
First of all, we just let's clear the ground pass and then we'll move to the. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey Victor,
I think we can go by walk.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
one-
up, man?
We're going in the rush. Oh, fucking
Yeah,
great.
it's pretty easy for us.
Alright, so you guys go in vehicles, the rest of us will push on foot.
Yeah, yeah.
And,
Yeah, totally.
whenever
Yeah,
you start,
yeah.
whenever you start
Yeah.
going, we'll start going.
Alright,
Okay,
now let's
okay,
do
maybe I will, if open I
Guys,
will.
we are about to move. We are about to move.
one guy is in the car, rest all are in the roof. On the roof.
Okay, guys. When you go in, take cover and.
Guys,
Take
one
cover
guy,
and shoot.
listen. One guy is on the in the car, in a red car, and rest all are on the roof. Okay.
Jump up. Yes, Victor, I'm waiting for your
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Don't make it more late.
I got one.
Some units follow me. We're gonna start trying to push up since they're trying to focus
No, we
on
can rush. We can rush.
eating.
Guys, make sure not to climb the ladders with holding the gun.
Speak English.
One dead, one dead. Let's push, let's push, let's push.